Hi there, it's Roy Breton from GardenEquipmentReview.com here. Today we're looking at the Oregon chainsaw helmet. Now this is a budget chainsaw helmet that I think I've had 3 or 4 of these. I've done a sort of review on it about a year ago, but this time I'm going to show you how to assemble it, as 1 or 2 people have asked me. So this helmet sells for £20 on Amazon, or £19.98p. So you've got the helmet itself. The first thing I do is to connect the earmuffs. So you can see you've got this bit here that has to go, sorry, it's not really on the camera, go through this slit here. So you push this in. This could be a bit of a fiddle at times. That's one in. That's that. So we do the same with the other side. Just going to try and show you on the camera. Okay. Just push that in from the top. That's it. If you do ever need to get these out, let's move this. There's you have to push these up. The camera probably won't show it very well. You have to push these up because there's like a wedge there or a lip. So just push them up with a screwdriver or something, and then it should pull out. There's every chance you won't need to. So that's that on. Then we have this bit that fits on here like this. But if I show you the camera, that would be better. So that just fits on there like that, but there's some slots it goes through. You can bend this straight out and just slots through here. Same with the other one. The other side. Slot that in. That has to push. There's a lip that sort of has to be pushed up against. That's it. So that's that in both sides, just in the slot. And then you've got the visor, which you got some tabs on here. If you untwist them so they're sort of flat, if you can see them, if the camera's picking that up, if you make them flat, there's actually 5 of them. So you then put one end on, try to twist it around for the camera. I'm actually doing this on a webcam, there's no one filming me. Like that. And right round to the other side. Lock the twisty bits. Sometimes it takes a bit of force to force it. Just push down on here. Some of it sticks up a bit, so you can't twist the the catches. So now you can see that all these catches, the camera can pick it up, are all in the downward position, and that just lifts up like that and down for when you're using it. And you've got your earmuffs come out, and you put them at the back if you want them out the way like that. But overall, not a bad safety chainsaw helmet. I wouldn't trust a helmet if I was tree climbing. I'm not. I stay on the ground. So, but for general use, for £20, pretty good buy. If you've got any comments, please feel free to put them in the comment box on YouTube. Thanks very much for watching. There's also a link to where you can purchase this on Amazon. Thanks very much.